Hello everyone and welcome back to another video on my channel. I am super excited to share these pigments with you. These are pigments from VisionGel.com, so they're from Renee in the States. So if you want to pick these up, I would contact her. And they are a set of 8 neon pigments. I have taken a look at them because I kind of had to play around, see what kind of design I wanted to share with you. So when I opened these up, they blew me away with how deep and rich these neon colors are. I'm gonna open these up and we are gonna take a closer look at what these colors look like. Okay, so the first one we're going to look at is this gorgeous neon purple. There are no numbers on these, so it's just a neon purple. Like, look at that. The camera is actually washing it out a little bit, but it is so gorgeous. So that's the purple, neon purple. Next one is a neon yellow. This, do you know the consistency of icing sugar? That soft? That is what these are like. I don't know if all pigments are like this or not. I honestly could not tell you. Look, it's just wow. So that's what the neon yellow looks like. Next, I think this is a deep orange. Oh my gosh. You guys, this is not even, what I'm seeing in the camera is not what's in the pot. This is a bright neon orange. That's what this one looks like. This next one is a lighter orange. So this is a neon orange and it's still looking a little washed out in the camera. I apologize about that. I'm just gonna bring this other orange back so you can see the difference. Oh, you guys, these colors are much more vibrant in person. Wow. Next one we're gonna look at is a pink. And yeah, it looks so washed out. Oh, that is so bad. I'm so sorry, you guys. This other one is a deeper pink. And I will compare the two. So you have a bright neon pink and a darker neon pink. Then we have a neon blue, which is so rich looking. Okay, and a neon green. Yeah, these colors are way brighter in person. Oh, that is just so washed out. Actually, that is better. So I'm actually gonna go back and show you these colors again with this camera setting. That's more true to life right there. So there's the green, there's the blue. That looks a little better. Here is the, I think this is the deep pink. Yeah, this is the lighter pink. The orange, which the orange still looks a little washed out, but not as bad. Then the neon deeper orange, purple. Oh gosh, this purple's gorgeous. And then the yellow. That's a little bit better. Okay, that's not too bad. I'm looking up at the camera and the colors are not, they're still a little washed out in the camera, but these are such a beautiful pigmented colors. Holy cow. This is like looking at a lot of bright crystals. They're that blinding in real life. So I'm just gonna kind of take you on a little tutorial, if you will, just show you how I use these. I'm sure there's many more ideas of how to use these, and if you have ideas, comment down below, let me know so I can practice and expand my knowledge of how to use pigments. Let's just get started. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I have number 3 black from VisionGel, and I'm going to put a coat on one of these display tips. The next color I'm going to use is number 21, which is this purple. You can use any colors. And then the other one is white. And this white is number 1. Okay, so I'm going to cure this for 30 seconds and I am going to wipe the tacky layer off when I'm done. So I will be right back. Okay, so I've already wiped the tacky layer off and I'm going to take the elastic art gel, and this is number 2 and it's the white. And I'm going to make some designs, random lines with this. And you can use an art brush, a dotting tool, whatever works best for you. Okay, and then we are going to cure that for 30 seconds. Okay, so I'm gonna dip a sponge tip applicator. Let's go with this deep pink, and you need very little, like that's probably too much. And I'm just gonna press randomly on this nail tip. And the pigment is sticking to the tacky layer of the elastic art gel. Okay, so I've just kind of dabbed the pigment on there. I'm actually just going to give this a flash cure. I have a fan brush and I'm just going to wipe the excess off. So I wipe the dispersion layer off of the gel before I put the elastic art gel on. So when you put your pigment on, it's not going to stick to the color, but it'll stick to the art gel. That makes sense, right? Just take your favorite top coat. I'm going to use the rubber top coat. And I choose to use the rubber top coat because it's a little bit thicker and it will make your design smooth so you don't get any ridges or bumps. And I'm going to cure this for about 30 seconds. And that's it. That's how easy it is to use these pigments. I love how the colors just pop on a dark black background. So we're kind of going to do the same thing on this purple one, but a little bit different. Okay, load your brush up and go to town with a design. Okay, and we are going to flash cure this. Okay, what am I going to do here? And now I'm going to put this in the lamp again for another 30 seconds to fully cure the art gel. Okay, so that's been cured. Going to wipe off the excess pigment and we're going to top coat it and cure. Okay, and here's the second one over a purple background. And then the one on your right is over a black background. So cool. With the next one, I am going to put another coat of white on here. Cure for 30 seconds and I'm not going to wipe the dispersion layer off. Okay, and now I am just going to flash cure that just to set the pigment in. Okay, I'm going to brush any excess loose pigment off. I'm going to top coat it, cure it, and I'll be right back. Okay, and now I'm going to do some designs. I'm going to put some of this white elastic art gel on. Okay, and now I'm going to cure that for 30 seconds and I'll be right back. Okay, now I'm going to cure that. Okay, I'm going to brush the excess pigment away and I'm going to put the rubber no wipe top coat on and cure for 30 seconds. Okay, and there you go. Just some random colors. We'll place them however you want. Kind of like tie-dye. So you can do any combination of colors. And then the other ones that I did off camera before I started this video was the other tie-dye one. And then this one, pretty much the same as that, just a little bit more blue. So there you go, you guys. There's 8 pigments from VisionGel USA. You can get these pigments off of the US website. That's visiongel.com. I don't know if you can get it off the Canadian website or not. Feel free to email the websites to see if you can get these pigments in Canada. Or if you're in Canada, you can get them in the States. Just feel free to email them. They are there to help us. These pigments would be great for Halloween. I know I'm a little slow on the draw here, but you guys know I've had a busy month. And I think if you can get like pastel colors, do some nice springtime designs or even some winter designs. I mean, tie-dye can be fun for vacation nails even. I don't know, there's just so much you could do. They were so much fun to use and easy to use. They were, like I said, they're like soft like icing sugar. Don't eat them. You guys know I'm not an artist, so look what I created. I'm actually kind of proud of that. If you guys like to do galaxy nails, stuff like that, you could do with the black background. I think the possibilities are endless with this. What do I think of these pigments? I'm actually impressed, because if I can create something colorful and I actually like it, then I like the product. So I found that, again, the pigments were very, very easy to use. You need very little. These pots are small, so use the powders sparingly. A little will go a long, long ways. That is it. I hope you enjoyed this little mini tutorial product review. If you have questions, feel free to comment down below. Don't forget to follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram, @EliteNails by Carrie. And don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. And that is it, you guys. We will see you in the next video. Bye.